What is up everyone, this is Team channel, and in this video we are going to fix microphone issues on Samsung Galaxy F12 or A12. So before starting this video, if you are first time on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So if your microphone is not working on F12 or A12 while calling or while recording, so just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.